Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888 Glass, and over here we have Levy. And we have Hector. Alright, you see these ugly windows? We're going to give this this front entry a new makeover with an exceptional storefront window. So, let's see how she turns out. Hey guys, Ben again, Exceptional Glass here. So we've got one window down, and now we're working on the second one. It's around 2 o'clock, so I'd say that one window here, we ran into a lot of curveballs on this one. If you see that wood going across there, so that's a little additional second level for storage. And the way they had it set up was the moldings from the old window, that wood was actually nailed onto it. So we had to makeshift something here so that that whole second level doesn't fall down during removal of the window. So all right, one down, one to go. Hey guys, all right, we're all done. So we have the client here talking to the foreman, but the windows are installed, and it was a grand success. As you can see, it's a heck of an update in comparison to the old one. Well, I guess that's pretty much it. All right, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83-GLASS, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com.